In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer emails from one Gmail account to another. This is a simple and efficient way to manage your email communications across different accounts. So, let's dive into the process. First, we need to make sure you're logged into the Gmail account where you want to receive the emails. Ensure it's the correct inbox because this is crucial to smoothly proceeding with the transfer process. Once you're in the appropriate inbox, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you will spot a gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on this gear icon, and from the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This action will take you to a new page where you'll find an array of tabs, each filled with different settings. We're interested in the tab labeled Accounts and Import, which is where you can manage settings related to importing emails and contacts from other accounts. Now that we're on the Accounts and Import tab, look for an option that says Import Mail and Contacts. Clicking on this option will kickstart the transferring process. At this point, you'll need the email address and password of the Gmail account from which you wish to import emails. It's a good idea to have these credentials ready so as not to encounter any unnecessary delays. Enter this information carefully and proceed to the next stage. Google will lead you through a series of prompts to authorize access. This step is crucial as it grants Google permission to retrieve emails and contacts from your old account. Make sure to follow these prompts diligently, granting all the necessary permissions to facilitate the transfer. As you go through this process, you have some useful options regarding how the imported emails should be treated. You can choose to label these incoming messages. This option is particularly helpful for organization, allowing you to sort and find your emails more efficiently later. Alternatively, you can simply let them come into your inbox as they are. Once you have tailored the settings to your preference, click on Start Import to begin the transfer. This action will initiate the transfer process. Do keep in mind that the duration of this process depends on the volume of emails you are transferring. It might take some time, but this is perfectly normal, so patience is key as your emails make their way into the new account. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have successfully transferred your emails from one Gmail account to another. Once you know where to look and how to adjust the settings, it becomes a straightforward process.